Tukeni jaloch mag lig mar volleyball kod ka jok mamine pacho ka endi KCB otimo ikruok ne tugo e kindgi kod KDF madhi bedo giko dirani. Tukego idhi go e alap manyayo gymnasium. Jaloch mar tugono biro dhi e rang'eny mar nus final. Kaponi timbe ariyogo odhi amodhi, biro chuno ni mondo ginuore chieng' Jumapil mar yango ng'ama dhi e nus final no. Kocha mar KCB Jafeth Munala onyiso geno mare maduong' mar siro loch margi ma higa mokalo.
As KCB, we are going to play KDF in the quarterfinals, and I can say as a team we are very much ready. We played them earlier before in the normal league season, and facing them in the quarterfinals, you know they are good opponents, but we are ready for them. We are the defending champions. Of course, we have that urge to defend our title, but we are under no pressure.
I'm happy to report that the preparation for the start of the playoffs is in progress. We started last week without knowing who we are going to meet. Now we are focusing to KDF game on Friday and Saturday, because now we know we are meeting KDF. I'm happy that when we went for African Club Championship, we got a lot of experience to our young players, and now they are ready to go to defend our title we took last.